Welcome to our Send Your First FBA Shipment training. We'll help you get started with FBA and learn how to send your first FBA shipment. Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, is a great way to grow your business and reach more customers. With FBA, Amazon stores your inventory, ships your orders, and handles returns and customer service. Your FBA products also become eligible for free shipping. First, you will need to convert your existing listings to FBA. To get started, open the main menu in Seller Central. Hover over Inventory, then click Manage FBA Shipments. Go to the top menu and click Send to Amazon. Now you can access these listings on the Send to Amazon page. On the Send to Amazon page, follow the steps in the workflow. The Send to Amazon workflow is broken down into the following steps. Step 1. Choose inventory to send. Step 1B. Pack individual units. Step 2. Confirm shipping. Step 3. Print box labels. And Step 4. Confirm carrier and pallet information. For more information on this workflow, search for Create Shipments with Send to Amazon in Seller Central. After your shipment has been created, you need to ensure that you have booked an appointment for delivery to your assigned fulfillment center through carriercentral.amazon.co.za. For more information on this process, search for Small Parcel Delivery for non-palletized shipments and Shipment Preparation and Advanced Delivery Appointments using LTL or Truckload Delivery to Amazon for palletized shipments, otherwise known as less than and full truckload in shipments in Seller Central. Once your shipment is on its way to the fulfillment center, you can track its progress on the Shipping Queue page by clicking Manage FBA Shipments. This concludes our Send Your First FBA Shipment training. You now have the tools to grow your business and get started with FBA. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.